Which Hermes scarf is Anna Kendrick wearing in A Simple Favor? This movie is brand new on Netflix, also starring Blake Lively. Thank you for recommending it because I loved it. Let's get right into it. Here she is going to Blake Lively's work and she's wearing this Hermes scarf, and we get a really good look at it right here. Here is that frame paused, match this corner to this corner here. Here she is on her way and we see her bold styling choice here, but also the corner. If we zoom in a little closer, it's looking something like this. I've matched this detail here to this detail here. So we see her arrive at Dennis Nylon, and here she is talking to the receptionist. See a few more details. Zoomed in here, we can see part of a new detail right here, which is this one right here. Here she is talking to the boss where he insults her vintage Hermes scarf, but we do get another look at it here. So thank you, Dennis Nylon, for that restyling, because now we see this swirl looks exactly like this swirl. Which Hermes scarf is Anna Kendrick wearing in A Simple Favor? She is wearing Chien Valets by Charles-Jean Hallo. This was first released in 1965. It's designed about 15 other scarves for Hermes, but is probably most well known for his poster designs. Most of these were done around the 20s and 30s. But back to this scarf, it comes in lots of other colorways. I really like this one and also this one here. And here are my two other favorite patterns, this one here and this one here. So as always, if you have any other recommendations, please let me know.